Another unboxing, guys. So, pangatlong unboxing ko na to for this day. Yung dalawa, yung isa gift from a bookshop. Tapos yung isa pre-sample. Ito naman is a gift for myself. So, I'd like to think na deserve ko to for this week. So, super excited ako because ito yung first book ko, very first book ko ni Miss Yvette Tan. So, ang dami ko kasing nababasa na magandang feedback sa mga books ni Miss Yvette Tan recently. So, sabi niya magaganda daw yung Walking the Dead, Insect Hug, at saka yung Sikyehor. Wala na akong makita yung Insect Hug sa Anvil Publishing. So, parang siguro sold out na. So, ang meron na lang Walking the Dead and yung Sikyehor. Ngayon, nagdadalawang isip ako kung sino yung una kong check out kasi limited lang yung budget ko for one book. And then, nakita ko yung, sa parang naka-add to cart sa cart ko. And then, yung Sikyehor, 6 pieces na lang yung natitira. Yung Walking the Dead, medyo marami-rami pa. Inuna ko na to kasi baka ma-sold out na naman. Ito yung Sikyehor ni Miss Yvette Tan. So, horror yung genre nito, guys. At, maraming nagsasabi na talagang maganda daw tong book na to. At, actually, hindi lang tong book na to. Lahat yung 3 books ni Miss Yvette Tan ng ganito, yung Walking the Dead, Sikyehor, Insect Hug, sobrang gaganda daw. So, ito pa lang ang na-purchase ko. At, I'd like to think na deserve ko to as a prize for myself for this week. So, sana magkaroon pa ako ng enough budget para mabili ko pa yung ibang part niya tong book na to. So, yun lang. Have a nice day. Happy reading!